Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution to Your Problems. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today we are diving into a topic that can truly transform your life: productivity apps. We all have busy schedules and tons of tasks to manage, and it can feel overwhelming. But guess what? There are some amazing apps out there that can make your life so easier. Let's jump right into the top 5 productivity apps you need in 2024. Notion. First up, we have Notion. It's a powerhouse when it comes to organizing your personal and professional life. Whether you are managing tasks, creating notes, or working on big projects, Notion does it all. You can create to-do lists, collaborate with your team, and even store your important documents in one place. The best part, you can customize your dashboards however you want. If you struggle with keeping things organized, this is the app for you. Todoist. Next, let's talk about Todoist. This is your ultimate to-do list app. It helps you break down tasks, set deadlines, and prioritize what's most important. Plus, you can synchronize it across all your devices, phone, tablet, and computer, so you never forget anything. If you are someone who loves ticking off tasks from a list, this app is your new best friend. Forest. Ever struggle to stay focused? Then Forest is for you. This app helps you stay on task by planting a visual tree whenever you stay focused. If you leave the app, the tree dies. It's a fun and creative way to stay focused, and if you are really dedicated, the app even plants real trees as you accumulate points. It's an excellent solution for anyone who needs that extra motivation to put their phone down and get to work. Google Calendar. Everyone knows Google Calendar, but are you really using it to its full potential? It's not just for scheduling meetings. You can create events, set reminders, synchronize your calendar with others, and color code tasks to keep things neat. If you are dealing with a packed schedule and you need a reliable way to keep track of everything, this app is your solution. Trello. Finally, we have Trello. This is perfect for people who need a visual way to manage tasks. Trello uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize projects. It's ideal for teams, but even if you are just working solo, it's great for breaking down tasks and seeing everything at a glance. Use Trello to track your progress, set deadlines, and even collaborate with others. Trust me, this app will help you get things done efficiently. And that's it. These are the top 5 productivity apps that can help you tackle your daily life problems head on. Whether it's staying focused, managing tasks, or organizing your entire life, there's an app for that. Which one are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more solution to your problems. Until next time, stay productive and take care.